I'm here smile and say, I'm not bash nobody because you say I'm going to bash people, right? I'm not still like that neither. But you should attack, I'm going to adjust some things. This as we just say first too. People who's been abused would have live under fear. And the moment them get out of that fear, and the happiest of them would even they're business with that person want to know more because them so happy, them come out of that fear there. You understand? Them so happy, them leave that life there. Them don't want to go back to that life in the mood. They not just know say, yo, if they even know if they know how to do everything by themselves, just avoid that person, them not do that. Don't come tell me about say, just because they come out of that life there, you get you get brave now if you can go confront the same person who used to abuse you. When I get that, I really don't get that. You see it? But if you say you have strength now, so what you trying to say is that Smile trying to say she da fuck one bad man now just to get figure antagonize her previous boyfriend? And that's Smile trying to say? I must that trying to say because if you say you live in one deep fear, so you fear the man with that deep, and you get out of that fear there. And you can see him back 2 days after. Suck pussy boy. That means I want bad man can grind now. Because if you know so that man will come lick you down into one big stone, you're not gonna want to pass him boy and suck pussy boy. Because you know say he will come defeat you. You know me there?
Yeah.
But you know what you're saying is lie. You know say this person is a simple going youth. You know that like how you want to paint him. You understand?
Yeah.
That's why you can do that to him. Because if I don't know about the next person, but I know normally when a woman live on a fear and them left out of that, they don't even want to see that person anymore. They don't want to hear the person name called. And for me and Rosealee part, every day Rosealee dey for me. And she talk every day so me abuse her. I look for my hand and I chop her up on her hand. I'm a this and that and whatever. And you know someone will chop you up and every day you still that text for me and you know someone will chop you up. That not add up. That doesn't add up.
Alright, let me say something to you, cause you know me now. Remember say me talk and me say yo, me no want you talk. I just done on the phone call. But go bring up back something with me talk about cause one of my friends just messaged me to ask you. Remember when I spoke about the cease and desist letter, right? They asked if you don't want a restraining order against her where she cannot come in certain certain of you or something like that. Because at the end of the day, what I'm saying, if there's no restraining order between you both, she can come anywhere you're there and tempt you to do things. So we are looking out for your kids. We're looking out for you, but we're also looking out for your kids. Because again, if you put yourself in any trouble, there's a chance that you may not get back your kids. So is there a way that you can report it, get a restraining order, make she stay where she there and you stay where you're there, where you don't come in contact, where you don't have to put yourself in no trouble?
Yeah, I go to police station yesterday.
Okay.
Go to station yesterday and I don't really want to talk about that part upon in life.
All right, yeah, man. Good.
But I do the right thing. So that's why I say I do the right thing the legal way. Because I'm tired of it. Really, I get tired of it.
Okay.
And I can't believe say a person a come a while ago I come talk about say the reason for Rosealee to text for me is because she been through trauma. But they don't sound educated to me. You understand? Because what you mean by a person being through a very toxic, devious relationship? Because Rosealee make it sound, you know. You understand? I should talk my beat her and my boof her down and look what him do me and me this and me that and yet still you can left out of the house. I got a kiss man pan, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
in a club. You go on pan river with man and hug up and be a kiss up. You go on pan date have blush and be, you know what I mean?
Yeah. And unless you want idiot man when I no sense, cause Any man, no man would tolerate that, and it's the truth. I could not live in a house with my girlfriend and she left out gone do them things there. And again, if it's something where you are beating her, she would be afraid to even talk to a man, more just to go out with a man and publicly show it.
Because she knows the man we she live with, you know the way as someone know it normally going on. And when I go say a man when she live with a little madman, so she not gonna run something with him. But they not have me as no serious man like that, Rosealee. You know that too. To you know it, I be a batty argument to call upon my name. You understand? If it's the next man, we're afraid that you're not doing that. You're not gonna do that.
One of the things we have to commend you for, Jay, because again, we give people their roses, bro. One of the things where we have to commend you for, bro, is not reacting. Because again, one of the thing where two things in a Jamaica where you can maybe lose your life for, or somebody go attack you for, is telling them about mother and putting batty on their name. And we have seen so many occasions where she say you do certain disgusting things with her and you would never retaliate. And we want to give you credit for that. And that is why we are saying, a lot of us as men, we don't talk. Even though we're hurting, we don't talk. We don't talk about things because we feel like we talk. But we have a breaking point. And the thing
left
about
two man left from which part she left from come which part me there,
All right. But
all along she talk. Upon the internet she talk, those part she does she talk. I never about what she want to talk. Say. But the moment they come in my space, come do that somebody really, it's like you want to say, yo, you have my strength. I'm not like that. Because I'm not tell anybody something I have strength for you. When you argue upon anything, me bash your back and me try to prove nothing towards you. So when you talk on the internet, you talk to me. Do not go like you want to come in my space, like you want to invade my space, like you want to prove something to me now. You come much for me there, over my people in place, for my life. Because for me there, and my people in place. But they're for my life. But let them know when you feel. You understand?
Daddy.
Yes, sir.
All right. So you say someone will run come in and I'm going to please be respectful. When you come in and say a woman's strength you have, I mean, me go back him and say no. If you are saying if I take away myself from certain situation and try to avoid certain things, that makes me only have woman's strength, or that makes me a man that can take away myself from a situation that's gonna cause me to abuse a woman. Remember, it is said publicly that he abused her. And if he's trying to move away from our situation so his name is not called, and she keep on putting herself in that position, how is it that now a woman's strength he have? Some of you need to be, you see, a lot of you need to learn to split things down the middle and right is right and wrong is wrong. And not because somebody is your favorite, whatever that person do, they're right. Or even when it's wrong. We need to cut out that. And wrong and right are right. Now, as a person, as a supporter or fan that feels like Jake is a woman beater, you should tell Rosealee not to go where Jake is. You should tell Rosealee, you should be on Rosealee live every day and say, Rosealee, do not go where Jakes is because Jakes is a woman beater. But the very fact that when she go in his space and try to disrespect him and all of that, at that time, you come and attack him instead of going talking to your favorite. Go and talk to your favorite and say, listen to me, young lady. You have left this. You have left this situation. Stay away from him. Him do what he do to you 12 years ago. Stay away from him now. No go nowhere in there. If you see him on the left, go on the right. If you see him on the right, go on the left. Just because she's out of the situation and we never know, as you claim, we never know what she went through in the 12 years. Right? So let us make them stay. Because again, it doesn't mean that a Jake have to unalive Rosealee. It can be Rosealee who unalive Jakes. And again, if you love these kids, it's all about the kids. The kids, no care what you think. If they lose their father, then go suffer. And then lose their mother, then go suffer. Because if if Rosealee unalive Jakes, that means that the kids them go don't have a father. And if Jakes unalive Rosealee, that means the kids them now go have a mother. You not think about that. I don't think about one, the two of them go neck and neck and head and head. We are trying to say, yo, let's get rid of the situation, get a moderator, you stay left and she stay right, just because we don't want to hurt each other, because yo, it don't look good for the media. And now I'm going to look good for the media. I mean, can tell you this, GX, let me tell you this, You see, if anybody not encourage you good, get rid of them, brother. Because I can guarantee you, when you put yourself in a trouble, if anybody tell you if you do nothing and put yourself in a trouble, when you put in trouble, then gone left you, they don't care with you. All who tell us if you lick the girl in her face or do this to the girl, no. Do not put your hand on her. Get yourself out of the situation. Move away from the situation, my brother. Even though, I know it's hard, I know it's hard to say you're there and she come in your space, Even though she come in your space, my general, this is a man, I tell you as a man, try to move. And as the police officer said today on the live, every time an encounter like that happens, go and report it. Every time you're in a situation like that, go and report it. Because me tell people, when I talk to them, I tell people them about passion. Yo, we don't know what we do in the passion. And when we done, we sit down and regret it. And sorry say we do it. Because we getting so much passion, we getting so much anger and so much rage that we just act out and then we unalive one another, unalive each other, hurt each other, and then when we say, yo, Jesus Christ, a prison me gone now, come me unalive this a person, or me do this a person, this a sitting there. Get to yourself out of that situation, both of you. You go for both of you and you alone, both of you. Again, we have two beautiful pitney, we have children, we have a thing about, bro. So you think about it, and as me say, you may be in your rights, but still act a way where you know what I say, yo, you know what, me in my rights, but me still walk away from this, because not because I am here means and I may go off and retaliate to you because I'm in my rights. Walk away just the same way. You see me, I say, I make sure you walk wide, no walk in close, proximate, where you go, to she, where she can hold on to you or take anything or hurt you. Walk far. You know what, see, get to this, so, you say, you know what, I walk, jump with fence over there, say, yeah, man, because guess what, I walk beside her for cause problem. Yes, that's the word. Proximity, right? Yes, and just do and go. And you see, all who run over here, so, and I say abuser. You see, all I know here say abuser, Uno is no friend to none of the two person them. Whether Rosealee or JX. None of Uno. Uno worse than even how not try to classy people them. Because instead of Uno try to clamp down on the situation and done it, Uno tend to want to
Really.
yeah, my general.
I want to she alone them can brainwash and make she escalate like she nonsense. Nobody can tell me what to do. It's only when time they make, it's when time she make them down in her head and she come over for me there. Seem like when I watch the video and she them and take it out, Rose, take it out, Rose, take it out, Rose, take it out, Rose. And she left from over which part she there at the party and come flash her money and my face for me there. You understand? She left from which part she there to come invade my space. And all I know when I talking in the comments, what you talk from the mouth. Tell her to stop that. Because she not have no time when she can talk, say. Me come push past she there, come invade PR space. From me and her apartment go east, she need to stay west. Me I do my local thing, and my own her business. You see it? She approve over and over, you know. What she a do, you know, I come talk about, say, and me a this and me a that. Because, I say again, a party me there, with my family there, and you go left for which part, because for sure it's people in your head. You gonna make people there, pan, take it out, Rose, yeah, take it out, Rose, go over there, take it out, Rose, yeah, take it out, Rose, yeah, take it out, Rose. I gotta take out your money, come over which part me, they come flash your money. And if I did me now, left for which part me there, go over which part you there, and you let the whole God would have come for me to blows and screw. The devil is put on the air, come out of me, and I'm sitting there. You see it? So all them fi do, I tell her, Fi stop come which pa me there. Stop coming on my space. You understand? You really understand, say you have to live safe, you know. Keep yourself with a problem, yeah. I love my two you with them, yeah. But I love my sanity too.
Mm-hmm.
You see it? I say for me take care of my youth, I have to take care of myself first, you know. Cause if I'm not alright, my youth them can't alright, you know. You hear that?
Yeah.
Say when I want good, say when I want stable state of mind, when I tell my youth them I go can't think straight. You see, so we as them parents need to have a stable sense of a stable minds we are know to think. So we can teach them the right way, so them can learn how to think too.
I want to ask you
You
a
see?
question. I want to ask you a question. How is the kids them now? How are your kids?
Them good man really.
That not sound
Them
positive.
good.
I like how you blow down car. Yeah. Why? Yo, let me tell you something. One I think I want to tell it to Jakes, listen to me. As I say, as men, we tend to not talk what we're going through. You see, if you get the money together, brother, and get a counselor where you can sit down and talk. You see, I blow down them, I take a blow down there lightly. I'm going to take your blow down just a while ago lightly. You see, if you can get a counselor in general where you can sit down and talk, get a counselor and go express yourself. Because maybe you are going through a whole leap that we don't know about, right? But and upon social media, you need to talk. Get professional help. So get a counselor where you can sit down and express yourself, brother. You see me, I say, take your money and help yourself too, bro. Just get a counselor where you can sit down and reason with. Where you have one or 2 course a week where you can go sit down for 1 hour, even 1 hour or half and express how you feel and express things. You see me I say? Because as me say, as men, we don't normally talk about the things them where bother with where we are go through. So just I think one police officer, hold on, let me see. One police officer there here, hold on. She went talk earlier on, so I'm going to let her up in her box and make she encourage her youth. Because as she went to talk and, you know.
Good evening again, Mr. Jakes. How are you?
I'm good.
Hello? Hello?
I'm good.
You hearing me?
Yes, he's hearing you. He says it's good.
All right. First, I have to commend you on the way you have been handling the kids so far. We have been watching, we have been intervening, and we have seen everything. I just want to give you some words of encouragement. First, I have to applaud you on your self control and your restraint that you have been demonstrating so far. And also want to encourage you to continue to do it. It's hard, we realize, but it is in your best interest to always hold that restraint, because if not, all your efforts that you have put out will be in vain, and you might and can or will end up on the other side. As I heard Mr. Reed suggest, it is obvious that you have been going through a lot. We see you go through public humiliation, which we know is definitely traumatizing can be traumatizing for just about anybody, because this is a public domain. And when certain things are said, private things, whether true or not, especially if it is not true, that definitely can affect a person. When you're being berated and disrespected, it can also take a toll on anyone, to include the children. So we will advise you, and none of us knows everything. And I would suggest, of course, Mr. Reed suggested that you speak to someone, an objective party, about how you feel, so that they can suggest to you different routes that you can take. You have been doing good so far, but I will also advise you to document stuff. Document stuff, because it is in your best interest. At the rate of how things are going, it appears that you need to also document things.
Yeah.
Is there any questions you would like to ask? And if there's any assistance as it relates to professionals that can help, or counselors, or anybody you can talk to, that I can also offer that. I welcome you to inbox me if you need any such services, and I can definitely assist you with that.
We just follow you.
But please continue to show restraint. I realize it because I was watching. We watch, and not only myself, Jakes. I have to tell you that we watch. We are here. A lot of us are here, and we see everything. And I'd also encourage, whenever, if your supporters come on your live stream and they want to call her names and stuff, if you can, just advise them. Today, don't call me baby mother name. Leave her out of your mouth. Just don't do that here. Defend her. You are there to you're not make nobody else style her. People might meet as couples, but if you happen to say something, it's bad, not so bad. But when total strangers who have no participation in the making of your children and your struggles and your lives, they have no authority to come and intervene and disrespect either of you in that manner. So I'll encourage you to try your best to have them desist and not encourage them to continue doing that either. You have done good so far, Jakes, from what we have seen. We see you participating with the children. We saw you walk them to school. We have seen your participation and your involvement, and that is good. So since you are here and I'm able to speak with you, I will refrain from mentioning any part about your baby mother, because I've already said my part as it relates to her earlier. But continue doing what you're doing. Be encouraged, and people who are smart and people who knows the reality of the situation that we are watching, we know exactly what we are seeing. And what we are seeing is not the opinion of TikTok, or the opinion of enablers, or the opinion of followers. We are looking at things from a perspective of legality and what's in the best interest of the children that are involved.
Yeah, man. Thanks, Thunder.
Right. So thanks very much. And I hope you take up our offer to speak with some. I'm certain it can help. Most of us have taken that help. All of us, especially us professionals who have so much going on, who so overwhelmed by things that we are going through, we have utilized these kind of helps. People have a stigma when somebody says speak to a professional or talk to a social worker. They think, oh, something are go on your head no right or whatever. It is there for a reason. The facilities are there to just so you can let it out to somebody who is not emotionally involved. And sometimes the answers are just right there. All you have to do is just talk so you can listen to yourself. Most of the times, you solve the issue yourself, or someone can just show you a different route from the left or the right, so that you can choose yourself which path is best for you. But at the end of the day, even if you retaliate and you are right and you were not wrong, you didn't trouble her, it's still not a good situation to end up in. And if you find that you are being assaulted, that yesterday's incident could have provided some help for her, because what I saw her commit was the offense. It's called assault at common law, which would guarantee her being given 2 charges. The fact the weapon, an offensive weapon, is 1. The assault at common law is 1. And then you would be advised, or could be advised, to proceed by way of obtaining a restraining order. So since it is apparent that nobody can speak to her, or she will not take any talk from anybody, the court might then feel obliged to order some form of help for her. by social worker, counseling, psychiatric evaluation, whichever she needs after they have figured out what is going on. That could have been a route that she would have received some help from. So it's not in all cases that an arrest is a bad thing. And an arrest does not mean imprisonment. And then you would have a chalk line on which you would have to walk. And that might have brought some peace eventually. So please bear that in mind, that you do have rights like her as well. You both have rights. And it's not degrading or make you seem a smaller man if you choose to seek legal recourse when you are going through such things. It actually shows that you are smarter and more well thinking, rather than leave it alone just for the sake of pride or for what people will say, and then you end up being one that is left in. Now you will have to pay attorney fees, and all your dreams and what you're working on the app will have to be stalled or stopped, because now you have to focus on other things that are not beneficial neither to you nor your two kids, which we see that you love. So that's all I had to say. Thank you very much again, Mr. Reed. Jakes, you take care. All the best.
Yeah, man. Me inbox, so.
Yes, you're welcome to do that anytime.
Thank you again,
As usual,
Mr.
Mr. Reed, I appreciate you.
Likewise, thank you very much.
Really?
Tamika, you want to say one thing? Hold on there. Tamika want to say one thing to you. Make me hear what Tamika say.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm not. Hi, Jakes. I'm not going to stay long either. Jakes,
Good evening, Tamika.
good evening.
Good evening.
Jakes, I want to ask you a couple of questions, right? You can answer if you choose to, and you cannot answer. But the reason for these questions is because I see people in the inbox and who are labeled as abuser or whatever. Now, for me personally, Jakes, what happened with you and Rosealee when you did in a relationship, I don't think that is what is on the board right now. Because you guys was in a relationship, me think, Jakes, me I gotta be honest with you, me think you do wrong too. You understand what I mean? But at the end of the day, that's not where we are right now. Right now, it's for you to stay out of trouble and for she to stay out of trouble, so the kids them can be back in a one uno custody. Whosoever is fit. I am not the one who's going to choose who is fit, but whosoever is fit for the kids them, that's what we are lobby for right now, right? So one thing I want to ask you, Jakes, where you always go on live, right? Is that in front of Rosealee house where she live?
Yeah.
Is there any other place you can go on live other from in front of her house where she live?
Not in the daytime.
Not in the daytime.
Night tomorrow. Night yesterday. Yeah, night daytime everywhere is full of crowd and noisy.
You know why I said
Why it's
that?
not noisy? I just
Okay, I'm listening now.
fine.
You know why I
I
said
think
that,
no, I'm
Jay?
gonna follow up on the reason why right it's not noisy. It's because the workshop not active, guys. A workshop that no, it's a wood workshop.
Okay,
And my cousin fly out, so I say more about them.
okay.
But we continue to say what you say.
So what I am trying to say, why I ask that, is people in the comment section are saying that a fear Wi-Fi you go use, so she automatically she alright for come this because of this she live. No, me not look on
Alright,
the
Tamika.
problem. Yeah, me I listen you.
What you need for do is change Wi-Fi since I fear Wi-Fi may I use. Which part me I do my life don't belong to her. But they across
Okay,
the road. I'm across
okay,
the road. It's not
okay,
like me there at gateway. I'm not at her gateway. I'm across
okay,
the road from her house.
okay,
Rosalie only live at lot 1468. She don't live over the gully side. On the gully
okay,
side meeting. So whether the part of the gully side of me there is in front of our house or
Okay.
beside the house or behind the house and not at her house.
Okay.
Okay? I'm not
Okay.
creating any disturbances or of her neither. So that I'm on top of the screen chat or shoot. She not hear me.
Okay, that's all I wanted to
Not
ask. That's
hearing me.
all I wanted to know. I just wanted to know if actually they must say yeah, rub butter in a puss mouth. You know what I'm saying, the really? So I
Yeah.
just wanted to know that basically say you're not trouble her then can I in under the decay way. You understand?
No.
So that's why I
No.
asked that. But I have nothing else to say really. I just wanted to know that.
All right, T. Big up yourself. Jakes, anything you want to say, my brother? Cause I feel like Thunder has done.
Man, she
There's
said
nothing more. Yeah, there's
help
nothing
out
more
that
to.
a lot to man. Me reach out the
Yeah,
thunder. But in terms of the
yeah.
Wi-Fi, in terms of
All
the
right, so
Wi-Fi, turn on the camera. See, in terms of the Wi-Fi, when I get Wi-Fi from the bar. She know which bar. I have a neighboring bar beside a which bar. We do my live over the garage or the workshop. There's a workshop with a garage beside it. We do my live over the workshop, over the wood workshop part. I get my live, my internet from the bar. You understand? Change our Wi-Fi code. I still I gotta have internet. I'm not use for internet no time at all. Take it on my phone. I take everything for you out of my phone. I just remember I have a good memory. Because I'm a bright boy. Remember the address. You understand?
yeah.
Yeah, we not really. We don't have nothing to do with that. Nothing
All
at
right.
all. Nothing, nothing, nothing.
All right. So we know say. All right. So as we say, we would have, we would have. There's nothing much or nothing more that I can say because, as I guess, as I said, Tonda would have given you all the necessary information, encouragement, and everything that you need, and you can reach out to her. You know what I mean? A lot of these people were over here, so not really over here so because they want good for you. Then just watch out people business. But again, my encouragement to you, man to man, continue doing what you're doing, continue refraining from, 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 you know, right? So continue doing what you're doing. Stay away from trouble. Stay away from people who go get you in a trouble, and just build your house, brother, and live your life and get the youth them and. As again, me hear you, as you spend time with the youth, them come here, youth them in the background.
Yeah. Just gonna leave me a
Reach,
while ago, yes.
yeah, reach out to Thunder. Yeah,
Yeah,
please
man. Big up again. Respect.
respect me, general. Bless up, man.